The line between human and demon is thinner than we think. What separates us from beings of pure malice? Is it our capacity for empathy, our adherence to moral codes, or is there something more fundamental at play, something rooted in the very fabric of our reality? What if our understanding of the universe is flawed, limited by our current stage of technological evolution? History whispers of civilizations long gone, cultures that mastered technologies beyond our current comprehension. Imagine societies that could manipulate the electromagnetic field of the Earth itself, perhaps even creating new ones. Such power in the wrong hands could be mistaken for demonic influence. But what if it was simply advanced technology, wielded by minds that had crossed a line we are only now beginning to approach? Evidence, albeit fragmented, exists in ancient texts and ruins. Mysteriously advanced constructions like the pyramids of Giza or the Nazca Lines hint at knowledge we have yet to rediscover. Were these the achievements of civilizations far ahead of their time, civilizations that ultimately succumbed to their own hubris? The thought is not so far-fetched. Our own trajectory offers a cautionary tale. We stand on the precipice of profound technological breakthroughs, from artificial intelligence to genetic engineering. The power to reshape life itself is within our grasp, yet our moral compass seems to lag behind. We are like children playing with fire, oblivious to the potential for catastrophic burns. Moral decay is a disease that eats away at the soul of a society. When empathy erodes and self-interest reigns supreme, the social fabric begins to unravel. We see this happening around us today in the rise of political polarization, economic inequality, and environmental degradation. Trust evaporates, suspicion and fear take root. This is fertile ground for conflict. History is replete with examples of civilizations torn apart by internal strife, often fueled by ideological or religious differences. But what if the wars of the future are fought not over land or resources, but over the very definition of humanity itself? What happens when the lines between human and machine, between real and virtual, become blurred beyond recognition? Section 4. Uploading Consciousness. A new frontier. This is not science fiction. Leading thinkers like Klaus Schwab, founder of the World Economic Forum, argue that we are on the verge of a fourth industrial revolution, one characterized by the fusion of the physical, digital, and biological worlds. Technologies like brain-computer interfaces and advanced artificial intelligence have the potential to fundamentally alter what it means to be human. Some, like futurist Ray Kurzweil, believe that we are approaching a singularity, a point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, leading to an explosion of technological progress. Others, like myself, are more cautious, warning of the potential dangers of such unchecked technological advancement. What happens to our souls, our consciousness, if we upload them to the cloud? Do we transcend our physical limitations, or do we simply create new ones, trapping ourselves in a digital prison of our own making? Section 5. Trapped in a simulated reality. This brings us to a question that has haunted philosophers and scientists for centuries. Are we living in a simulation? The idea, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now being seriously considered by physicists and computer scientists. The accelerating pace of technological progress, coupled with the bizarre and often counterintuitive nature of quantum mechanics, has led some to speculate that our reality might be nothing more than a sophisticated computer program. If so, who are the programmers? Are they benevolent creators, observing our progress with detached curiosity, or are they something else entirely, beings with motives we can barely comprehend? Perhaps this cycle of technological advancement, moral decay, and societal collapse has played out countless times before, each iteration a mere experiment in a grand cosmic laboratory. Section 6. Are we just lab rats? The implications are staggering. If we are indeed living in a simulation, then our free will might be an illusion, our choices predetermined by the parameters of the program. Our history, our religions, our very sense of purpose, all could be nothing more than lines of code written by an intelligence beyond our comprehension. We are left with more questions than answers. Are we lab rats in a cosmic experiment? Are every move scrutinized by unseen observers? Or are we architects of our own destiny, capable of breaking free from the confines of this simulated reality and forging our own path in the vast unknown? The future, it seems, is yet to be written.